Hello everyone, this is Eric. This is Redjet 505 and RC Monster Garage. What I'm doing right now, it's a video for all you guys, the newbies. I got a phone call last night from a customer with a problem that actually not really exists. He did not really have a problem, but he made it into a problem because he did not understand how the hobby works. So I would like to take the time and actually make this video and explain something about cars and batteries and runtime. So first of all, when you purchasing a vehicle, for example, you purchase this Arma Typhon that come ready to run 6S, but you do not get any batteries with it. So you will need to purchase your own battery, and it's going to be on your preference what type of battery you're gonna get and what type of a charger, and this is stay for you to decide, and this is gonna be kind of your decision and kind of in a way your problem, because if you're gonna go to a place that's not gonna recommend you the right battery, it's not gonna run right. Now this is, for example, the Arma Granite, and this is a brushed electric, and this come with the battery, charger, everything you need in the car, and all you need to do is charge the car and go. So far so good, excellent. But I still got a call that there is a problem with this vehicle, and I say, okay, what is the problem? And the conversation literally gone this way: yes, I'm not happy and I'm not satisfied with my vehicle. And I ask, why? What is the issue? And the customer was very excited and was telling me that the vehicle is not even running for an hour. And I said, what are you talking about? There is none of the RC cars right now with any battery technology can run for 1 hour. They're running for about 15 to 20 minutes with the regular batteries. And if you get high capacity batteries, they will run a little bit longer than that, but you're still never going to get an hour out of it. The answer that I got back as a shop owner was, yes, I want my money back. It did not state anywhere that this is what it's go. You need to put a sign. And I thought to myself for a second, do I need to put a sign each time a person don't understand something? My shop will have more signs than RC cars, and as you can see, my shop is full of RC cars. I'm gonna have to have signs everywhere for all the special peoples. But I decided to do this and explain. So this vehicle arrived with that type of a charger. It's a slow charger. This is the cheapest charger that they could have put in the car in order to give you a battery and a charger at the same value of the car. So this will take about 6 to 8 hours to charge your battery, and it will give you about 15-minute runtime. That's it. Now when you look at batteries, let's look real quick. This is a lithium battery. I'm not for those batteries. It's just what was available, and it's have highlight, so it will be very good on the camera, so I'm doing this with this battery. So this one is 11.1 volt, 5200 milliamp, 50C. Let's interpret this in this way. This is the voltage. This will be the power. This will be the 5200. This will be like if it was a real car, how many gallon of fuel you have. And this will be the disbursement power. So this will be kind of your horsepower, to put it in a way, okay? Then if you take another battery that is a smaller battery, it's 11.1 volt as well, but this one is a 3000, not 5200, so it will have less runtime. And then the 30C will have a little bit less power, and you're not going to pull too much power out of this smaller battery, okay? But this will fit to a certain vehicle, and this will fit to a certain vehicle. Now those batteries still bigger than the 7.2 batteries that arrive with the Granite, but they're still going to run the car for about around like 15 to 20 minutes. Considering that some of the cars running between 30 to 60 miles an hour, this thing is going to be a very good battery to run on a car that's designed for a 3S battery. A lot of cars designed for 2S batteries or also for a nickel metal battery, and those vehicles will need actually to have the battery that fit for them in order to work right and work for you. This talking when we talk about battery. Then for charger, again, this is the charger that I have at the shop that I'm working with, so I would like to show. So a bigger charger is much bigger than that. This is a digital charger that will charge any kind of battery. It's a quick charger, so it will charge your battery probably in a little bit less than an hour because it's 10 amp, 100 watt, and you can also charge it from your car, and there is a variety of brands. And usually when you get them in a hobby shop, you get it with the warranty for replacement and everything, and you're gonna get the real deal, not the stuff that they're selling online. So whenever you're gonna go and purchase an RC car, you have to take all those things in consideration. Those things can cost, you know, couple $100 just for a good charger. Okay, this one is less than $100. There's one that dual charger that will be more than $100. Again, we're not looking at the pricing right now. We're looking at how to compare what comes with the car to what physically people using right now in order to run the car the right way. Now, when we're talking about the batteries, there is different type, different sizes, but the time on the battery will not give you more than actually 15 to 20 minutes on what comes with the cars, and also the speed that you go, faster you go. If you go in 100 miles an hour, for example with the Arma Typhoon, after 2-3 runs, this battery will be completely empty on a 10-second run. Okay, so this is to wrap it up real quick. This is a real quick about explaining about how this thing works. You always have to learn. This is part of the hobby. You don't buy those cars and say, oh, these shocks need to fit from the factory and work. They are adjustable. You need to learn how to work. You need to read the instruction, and you have to do all the research about your car that you're running and see what will work for you. You can ask at the shop. They're not always going to know what you have problem later that you might run into and say, okay, we can solve the problem that you might have in the future. Maybe you're not going to have this problem. Maybe you will understand that there is a limited amount of power on the RC cars. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next video. This was a just quick explaining about how RC work. Bye.